I forgot to tell you that I'm also on a date. बिकाऊ है ये, बिक गई है ये. Bro, I didn't like it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alfia and in today's video we are trying all the new celebrity restaurants in Mumbai opened in 2025. Mumbai abhi se wo hub nahi raha hai where you can spot celebrities but also literally the place where celebrities are opening their stores. For example, Ranbir Kapoor started Arcs and now there are so many restaurants and food joints opened by celebrities literally every other month. Last year tak hamare paas 1-8 Commute tha by Virat Kohli. We also had Numa by Karan Johar, Tori by Gauri Khan, but ये साल ना एक नया wave आया है with new restaurants and I am so pumped and excited to try them all in today's video. You guys know that I love food and I know that y'all love seeing me eat food and review it for you guys. And this video is going to have just all of that. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, do it right away. Also follow me on my Instagram and without further ado, let's just get started. Spot 1, we are at Bad Boy Pizza by Badshah. It literally opened just 2 days ago and I have been super excited to come here first because I love pizza.
रहा नहीं जाता, तड़प ही ऐसी है ना.
But I kind of avoided because जो regular pizzas मिलते हैं वो मैदे का उसका base होता है and I am trying to eat clean. Turns out that their flour is basically Italy inspired which they ferment for 48 hours which means it could be sourdough and sourdough is literally the healthiest bread. It is like the king of breads and I am super excited because इनका menu और इनकी vibe बहुत अच्छी लग रही है. एकदम न्यू यॉर्कर वाइब दे रही है मुझे ये रेस्टोरेंट, ये कैफे. एंड लेट्स गो डाइव इन एंड सी व्हाट दे हैव टू ऑफर. आई फॉरगॉट टू टेल यू दैट आई एम आल्सो ऑन अ डेट. Meet Jugnu. He is the real OG bad boy. Basically, this is the mascot of Bad Boy Pizza and it's so cool, you guys. Plus, the ambience is so quirky. It has like neon vibes. It is loud, but it's also out there. The washroom is also so pretty. I genuinely love the vibes here.
मेरे बच्चे, मैंने तुमसे कहा था.
I'm not a Punjabi, but I feel like this dish has healed a Punjabi in me. मतलब, it's so nice. Garlic bread will taste so good with butter chicken. It's spicy. इतना फ्लेवरफुल है ये and we haven't used oregano or chili flakes at all and technically you don't need it because these are so flavorful. Plus the crust, it feels fresh. मतलब वो समझ आता है ना कि यार it's freshly made and usually I leave the sides but I'm eating the sides because it's so good. It has flowers on it. I loved it. I love truffle pizzas and I'm always looking out for something that I can mark my favorite ever since I came back from Paris. Let's see if this one is going to be it. It has a truffle scent which I love. It's light, it just has the perfect amount of truffle. So good. It's time to review, but before that I want to tell you that they are also selling merch, you guys. They have mugs, they have dolls, they also have tote bags. It's such an interesting concept, and for me personally, the best thing that I loved about the place is that it really reflects bad boy Badshah's personality. Like every single element is on point. Talking about the food, you guys, I love pizzas, and these were one of the pizzas that I've never tried before. Pushpa was bang on, like such a flavorful pizza. Honestly, it was spicy. It was just something like a burst of flavors in the mouth. And if I had to rate, I genuinely don't know where do I really cut their points, because everything was just so good. You have to try their garlic bread with butter chicken. Everything, in fact, the crust, the sides, the dips, the desserts, everything literally blew my mind. I've never tried something like that. I have nothing to complain, so I think it gets a solid 10 on 10.
Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. This is Mevish.
And we are at spot number 2. This is Blondie by Bastion. The owner is Shilpa Shetty. We have kind of high hopes from here, but what are you exactly expecting?
Honestly, I have heard like mixed reviews about it. थोड़े लोगों ने बोला है कि अच्छा है, but a lot of people said that it's not that great. It's not up to the mark. But I'm excited for the matchas here because यहाँ पे बहुत varieties है.
Yeah, so I have heard that they have like stuffed dosa, that is something very new. Plus they have an array of matchas to offer. I am going in with no hopes at all because majorly मैंने negative चीज़ें ही सुनी है. So let's see what they have to offer. There was a lot of loud music there, so no live reaction. But first up, we called for mango matcha latte. I felt like the quantity was really less at first, but the first sip and I did really like the taste. It had the perfect amount of mango and matcha, not grassy at all. I think I would definitely come back for this one. Next, we tried this chicken stuffed bene dosa. I personally really liked the flavors. I love dosa and chicken together, so I did not mind the taste at all. The chutneys were also really fun, especially the red one right here. And the dosa was also very crispy, buttery. The filling was also good enough. So over and all, I did really enjoy it, but again, it's so expensive. My sister, on the other hand, did not quite like the taste. She felt like it was too overrated, and her expression just says it all.
Bro, I didn't like it.
Okay, time for ratings. What do you think?
I think I'll give it a 3 out of 10. I think 3 marks for the matcha. I don't think I was a fan of the dosa. Chicken dosa, nahi, I would prefer roadside.
Okay, I understand, but I feel like it's not that bad. The taste wise, I did like it. I really love dosa and I really love chicken, so that combination was really wholesome for me. The chutney that they gave was also really nice. The only thing that kind of bothered me is the fact that it was 400 rupee worth, which is a lot. I feel like max to max 320 or 300 would have just been perfect. But ये थोड़ा overpriced है for like the dosa. Even though the quality and the ambience is what they're charging for, but the mango matcha was really nice. मतलब
Yeah,
मुझे वो बहुत अच्छा लगा. That is something that I would like to try. But again, the quantity was literally half. मतलब 470 का वो matcha था जिसमें तुमको बहुत कम मिल रहा है drink. Not impressed.
Yeah, I think college students and people that have just started working, I don't think it's going to be that great for them because we would obviously prefer something better which will be cheap in the form of dosa, to be very honest. Mango bhaja, I still don't mind paying like 470 rupees because utna precision lagta hai to make that thing.
Yeah.
But dosas, I think it can be better, honestly.
Yeah, so I think for me it would be like an 8 on 10, and let's move on. I am just not that picky, to be honest, and like I mentioned, I did enjoy it. So it gets an 8 on 10 from me.
बिकाऊ है ये, बिक गई है ये.
Let's go to our next spot. Okay, clearly we are really full दो जगह खा के, so I thought let's also call friends over so that they can also try with me and we can give you a genuine review, because अगर पेट भर जाएगा तो कैसे ही करेंगे. Now we are on to spot number 3. This is Scarlet House by Malaika Arora and her son. So basically this is situated in Pali village and it's literally made in like a bungalow right here in Bandra. बहुत ही unique concept है. I don't think we've ever been to like a restaurant like this.
Yes.
And are you excited to try?
Yeah.
Have you heard things about this place?
Yes, I have heard about it. Let's see.
Let's go. Let's try it. I've heard their thecha paneer and khichdi is really like famous, and it literally comes from the house of Malaika Arora herself. Like it's a generational recipe kinda. So let's see. Let's go. Okay, so first impressions. I really love the ambience. Like it's so
Yeah, it's
different.
so vintage. I was just complaining to her about Blondie that it had like really loud music and people were talking so loudly. This is more relatively like candlelight and chill
Yeah.
vibes.
It's so nice. It's giving me like a Goa house where everything is so homegrown and just feels like home. So cozy, and it smells so nice. Like something about this place, it just smells so nice, and it's huge. Like
There's itni sari variety hai. There's like a juice bar, there's a coffee bar, then there's an actual bar here. The place is huge and बहुत ज़्यादा pretty बनाया है. Like every corner is aesthetically different and it's just fitting.
Yeah,
is what I feel.
it stands out. It's one of those places we've not been to before, so I feel like this really has hit a spot in my heart that I would want to see how it looks in the daytime also. And we've only called for 2 items that were from Malla's special menu, that is the paneer techa and also the caramelized onion pasta. बिल्कुल पेट में जगह नहीं है, but we were like, let's at least try the 2 very viral hyped things and see how it is. We have the paneer techa. It's piled up and it looks so fancy and spicy. I'm dipping it in the yogurt sauce. At first it wasn't spicy at all. मतलब मुझे ऐसे सिर्फ पनीर का blandness पता चला in my mouth, but later on the taste does get spicy. The chutney is so good. But honestly, I don't like cottage cheese, so not a fan, but I think we'll see what my friends have to say.
It's nice.
It's fun, but I don't get the hype. It's okay. Like
चटनी में पनीर को कोट
पनीर,
करके दे दिया.
yeah.
That's it.
peanut वाली चटनी में. I think it can be better though, but अच्छा
not bad.
unique है. Yeah,
Yeah,
that-
not bad.
फूड क्रिटिक्स बन गए हैं हम. संजीव कपूर और हलपाल जी.
Fun.
We are digging in to the caramelized onion pasta. Cheers, cheers, cheers. It's hot. This is so nice. Oh my god. Very easily one of the best pastas that I've had.
True.
Very flavorful.
And it was such a beautiful experience. I feel like this is one of those restaurants that you have to visit at least once if you're in Mumbai. I think I would give it a solid 9 on 10. I wanted to try more dishes, but my stomach was already full. I didn't have much space, plus I had to cover one more spot. But otherwise, I feel like the caramelized onion pasta, it just slapped. Like please try it out. And we spent about 1700 for 2 dishes, which definitely is expensive, but you know the celebrity tag obviously adds up the points. But otherwise I really enjoyed it. It had such a great vibe. Like say candlelight date ke liye, if you guys are a couple, I think it would be a great spot for you to chill there, and I'm definitely going back for the pasta for sure. Okay, so we are at our last stop for the day. This is a food truck by Aisha Khan and it's called Baap Re Baap. They have a variety of healthy stuff, from like drumsticks to thighs to also salads. I have called for their very famous peri peri chicken salad, and before we dive into, let's see what it looks like. Okay, so this is the peri peri and this is the, I think, lemon pepper. and this is their best seller. So do you want to try this?
Chicken biryani.
Do you want to try the peri peri?
I'm trying it already.
You have to wait for me, bro. काफ़ी फ्लेवरफुल है, मतलब अंदर तक मसाला गया है ऐसे लग रहा है, which is for me like a selling point when it
Yeah.
comes to chicken and drumsticks.
True.
But yeah, it does give a very like, I am trying to eat healthy, I'm in my clean eating era. That's the vibe.
That. It's so light. I don't know, for chicken, light होना is weird. When तुम fried chicken खाते हो, then you feel really heavy.
I think this is like properly steamed. So
Gym के बाद आ जाना.
definitely like like a post gym spot for sure. Let's try the lemon wala. It has a different dip.
Must be. Bro, but मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा how is the chicken so tender, like
It's very soft, like actually
not
so
like-
soft.
खींचना नहीं पड़ रहा है. For like some chicken, you need to like stretch it and then वो रेशा रेशा निकलता है, but that's not the case
Like
with
it's
this
not
one.
chewy and stuff. It's just like
Melting in our mouth.
actually. Like for something to be healthy but also like tasty, it's the perfect balance. Thank you. I think I would rate Bapre Bap a 7 on 10. I really love the fact that they used no oil in their chicken and it actually felt really light. So, good experience for sure. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If I have to pick 2 favorite dishes from this video that I would like to go again and try, it would be the Pushpa pizza from Bad Boy Pizza and also the caramelized onion pasta from Scarlet House. These were my top 2 and I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and don't forget to stick around. Bye.